with Raven.
Hi, this is Art with Raven. Today we're going to be painting with bubble wrap. Get paper towels and lay them on the table, and get canvases, paints, and you need black. You're going to get your bubble wrap and cut it to the size of your canvas. Okay, so get your bubble wrap and get your paints, because we are going to put paint on the bubble wrap, but we are going to put different designs on both of the bubble wrap. We're doing wavy lines, and also you don't have to use the same colors as me. Do you want to put the bubble wrap with the paint directly on it? And then you want to smush it. After you pressed it down, pull the bubble wrap up. Do the same thing you did on the other bubble wrap, and also I'm going to do circles this time. Now you're going to do the exact same thing and put it on the canvas. And now you're going to pull it off. Good job. Now you've painted with bubble wrap 2 different ways.